Why do we often overlook the simplest solutions right in front of us? Why do we forget that nature, the world's oldest innovator, has been solving complex problems for billions of years? Today, we are going to explore the importance of nature-based solutions and how they can help address some of our most pressing environmental challenges. Picture this: a small island nation in Pacific Ocean, the Republic of Palau, is grappling with a significant issue. The island's coral reefs, a critical part of its ecosystem and economy, were dying. Rising sea temperature, pollution, and overfishing had taken their toll. The future looked grim. But then a ray of hope emerged from an unexpected place: the island's Seagrass Meadows. Seagrass, often overlooked and undervalued, plays a crucial role in the marine ecosystem. These underwater meadows absorb carbon dioxide, produce oxygen, and provide a habitat for many marine species. In Palau, the government recognized the potential of these humble plants and decided to protect and nurture it. The island nation implemented a comprehensive seagrass conservation program. They enforced strict fishing regulations, launched public awareness and campaigns, and worked tirelessly to restore and expand the meadows. The results were nothing of miraculous power of nature-based solutions. Over the course of a few years, the health of the coral reefs started to improve. Fish population increased and the water quality improved significantly. Palau's seagrass meadows had become a lifeline for its coral reefs. This is just one example of a nature-based solutions in action. It's a proof that we don't always need expensive, high-tech solutions to our environmental problems. Sometimes the answer lies in the world around us, in plants, animals, and ecosystems that have been fine-tuning their survival strategies for eons. But understanding the potential of nature-based solution is only the first step. We must also be willing to implement them. We must be brave enough to challenge conventional thinking, to look beyond the obvious, and to see the value in the natural world. So what can we do? Start small, plant a tree, grow a garden, support local conservation efforts. Learn about the native species in your area and how you can help protect them. Encourage your local leaders to prioritize nature-based solutions in their environmental policies. Remember, every action counts. The future of our planet depends on our ability to work with nature, not against it. So let's take inspiration from Palau and start nurturing our natural world, because in the end, the most effective solutions are often those that are around the longest. We have the power to make a difference. We have the power to change the world, and it all starts with a simple idea. Let's look to nature for solutions, because nature is and always has been the world's greatest innovator. Thank you for joining us today. Please subscribe, like, and comment. We hope you will carry this message forward and become an advocate for nature-based solutions in your community. The world needs more people like you who understand the importance of working with nature and are willing to take action to make it happen. So go ahead, make a difference, start today.